YaadBoss, you sell out. YaadBoss, you corrupt. YaadBoss, them buy you out. Big money spent. Run with YaadBoss off of the case. Kiss me neck back.
Yeah, man, YaadBossTV.
My people, from day one, I was on this case, beating the drum for justice for little Jayden Smith. Over there on TikTok. Yes, I am genuinely in this for justice for Jayden Smith. And if new information enter into the public domain that my ninjas them find and send come give me, I have an obligation to you, the members of the public, to present the information to you, my people. Yes, regardless of the backlash, I have an obligation. That is what you call honesty. That is what you call transparency. That is what you call integrity. You may say that the big word is wrong, but forgive me. Yeah, that is what you deserve. So, we look at the flight information last night, and then them say YaadBoss a bogus thing that a whole heap of flight should book. Bogus. Who wants to see the boarding pass? First, them said they wanted to see the boarding pass. And them say if them see the boarding pass would have been bogus. Because that no means she come on the flight. But people, we're in this for justice for Jayden Smith. All of us. People on TikTok, people on YouTube, we're all in this for justice for Jayden Smith. And also members of the general public who are paying close attention to this Jayden Smith case here. Months after months, my people, we have been crying, we have been pleading to the police department, give us something now. Tell us when Shanique arrived in Jamaica now. Nothing from the police department. But who gave it to you? YaadBoss. Me ninjas them in the field. I was the one who provided the information to the public. And now I am the Judas. And now I am the traitor. I tell you now, be prepared for what is to come. I don't know who murdered Jayden. I don't know. Did I free the entire family members? I can't do that. But as we speak today, my people, I go based on evidence that I can prove. My crown witness, Mr. T, versus hardcore evidence in Shanique's timeline, where she said, I went upon the website and upon paper. And what I'm simply saying to you, Jamaica, that in the court of public opinion and in the court of law, our crown witness, Mr. T, timeline cannot, will not stand up anyway against physical evidence. His timeline is bogus. His timeline no make no sense when it goes against the physical evidence. His sighting 9 o'clock in the morning, bogus. The flight was delayed and landed around 2:30 to Montego Bay from Atlanta. So when we're arguing our points, if you believe that the flight itinerary that was produced last night to the public is fake, do me a beg no. Don't just come to the people them and say it is fake. Show us why it is fake. Call the immigration officer. Call the police department. Call whoever and say, do me a beg no. Can you guys validate this? Can you validate that the passenger actually traveled to Jamaica on this flight here? Do that now, my people, man. Me give you the evidence. Do that now, my people, man. A long time we ask for evidence. We not get nothing. And then we don't get it. We not say YaadBoss switchy. A innocent people we want to send go to prison. We not just check it out, man. And if the wicked girl never dip on the flight, right now, we shouldn't even call her a wicked girl. Because if her alibi check out, sad to say, I never she murdered Jayden. And if you not heart clean like how my heart clean, my people. If you do no search, I want to validate say Shanique landed in Jamaica at 2:30. And there was a 3-hour drive from the airport that would land Shanique in the area. No, she landed at 2:30, clearing the airport. 3-hour drive. Should have reached in the area after 6 o'clock. Some people have said ChatGPT bogus. You never put the prompt in a ChatGPT properly. Bogus. It's just a tool that give an estimated timeline with people. It's not that. Come on now. Come on now. We're trying to ascertain whether or not the speeches or the statement that came out of Shanique's mouth can actually tie to the arrival time, arrival window where she give. That is why we use that tool. You can type it into a GPS and see how long it will take. Fine, and produce a video. We're all in this for justice for Jayden Smith. If you land at 2:30, and even if you have a carry-on bag, you nah go come through immigration and custom at 2:30. The plane have a taxi, and the plane have to be deboarded, and then you have to go stand in an immigration line, and then you go to custom. You don't have nothing to declare. Them stamp you. You come out and you jump in your car and go about your business. Even if that took 30 minutes and she came out at 3 o'clock. It's a 3-hour drive from Deso to Deso. Me don't know what happened to Jayden people. Me don't know. But what are we looking at? Mr. T's statement versus physical evidence. Now we have something to work with. Go to work. We have something to work with. Go to work now, my people, man. Use your investigative skills now, my people, man. And we go validate when we show you, man. And if it turn out to be bogus, lock her up. If it turn out to be bogus, a prison she a go. what is the big deal and what is the fuss? We don't ask for months and months upon months. I want to finally get something. And instead of saying, okay, we have something tangible now. Let us see if she indeed come on the flight. It came directly from the website. So they in there. You see it. A live, legitimate website. Start making calls. Start pulling strings with your connections. And validate it even further. Army has said to him, I did my part. And I'm asking Jamaica that if this prove that Shanique did indeed arrive at the hospital at 7:09 and she never leave the hospital, when she entered the hospital, her mother, her father, and Demar left the hospital. And she was there with the baby overnight. And the police them confirmed that Jayden was reported missing after 7 o'clock, 6:30, 7 o'clock. Even at the timeline, they vague. We don't know. Me, I said the police confirm it, I'm assuming. And I don't like to assume. We'd have to go call down there and find out what time Mr. T made the first contact with them. Because so far Mr. T judgment way off with time. Way off with time. I have some hypothesis running through my brain. Because when I say, me no know what happened to Jayden. I have ideas, but those ideas, until the physical evidence can be thrown out, those ideas does not include Shanique Lawrence. It's a limb when I go out on, you know. Me people, I will heap a beat me I get, you know, for taking this position, you know, my people. Will heap a beating. But that's fine. Because me nah give up on seeking justice for Jayden Smith. But in order to get justice for Jayden Smith, you have to be honest with your analysis and with your approach. When you look on my website, when you look on my channel, my number on the channel, if you don't have anything to say, anything to contribute to the Jayden Smith case, members of the public or any family members, your information will remain confidential with me. It will, trust me, it will remain confidential. Even if we have to sign a piece of paper, it will remain confidential. And to the members of the public, to the members of the YaadBoss movement, don't be too hurried to judge. Trust the process. Trust the process. It was a hard decision to make, to come out and defend you. Come out and defend Shanique in a John public? No, sir. Huh? Until next time, my people. Walk good. This is your boy YaadBoss. I'm out.
Give me a YaadBoss TV.
Yo,